very proud to read this proclamation issued by the Office of the Mayor on 20 November 2009. Whereas over 37,000 people will be diagnosed with pancreatic cancer this year in the United States, and over 34,000 will die from the disease. Whereas pancreatic cancer is the deadliest cancer and the fourth leading cause of cancer death in the United States. Whereas approximately 400 deaths will occur in the state of Oklahoma. Whereas 75% of pancreatic cancer patients die within the first year of their diagnosis, and 95% of pancreatic cancer patients die within the first 5 years. Whereas there is no cure for pancreatic cancer, and there have been no significant improvements in early detection, treatment methods, or survival rates in the last 30 years. Whereas when symptoms of pancreatic cancer present themselves, it is usually too late for an optimistic prognosis, and the average life expectancy of those diagnosed with metastasis disease is only 3 to 6 months. Whereas incidence of pancreatic cancer is 20 to 30% higher in men than in women, and 40 to 50% higher in African Americans than in other ethnic groups. Whereas the federal government invests less money in pancreatic cancer research than it does in any of the other leading cancer killers, whereas the good health and well-being of residents of Bethany, Oklahoma are enhanced as a direct result of increased awareness about pancreatic cancer and research into early detection, causes, and effective treatments. Whereas the Pancreatic Cancer Action Network is the first and only national patient advocacy organization that serves the pancreatic cancer community in Bethany, the entire state of Oklahoma, and nationwide by focusing its efforts on public policy, research funding, patient services, and public awareness and education related to developing effective treatments and a cure for pancreatic cancer. Whereas the Pancreatic Cancer Action Network and its affiliates in Oklahoma support those patients currently battling cancer, as well as to those who have lost their lives to disease and are committed to nothing less than a cure. Therefore, be it known that I, Mayor Brian Taylor, I know your name, do hereby declare the month of November 2009 as Pancreatic Cancer Awareness Month in Bethany, Oklahoma.
And Heather, I believe, is here too.
Yes, Heather. Thank you very much, Heather. I appreciate all your work.
My name is Heather Spencer. I am with the Pancreatic Cancer Action Network. And Mr. Mayor, Mr. City Manager, and ladies and gentlemen of the council and staff, thank you very much for having us here today. My father died in 2008. I've brought my mom and my sister, Nyla Dutcher and Sarah Dutcher, with me as proof that it affects a lot of people. And as I understand it, Ms. Larson, I believe your brother died of pancreatic cancer, brother-in-law. I'm very sorry for your loss. You've heard the facts and figures, and obviously it's one of those cancers that needs to be addressed. You've heard plenty about breast cancer awareness and lung cancer and heart disease. Pancreatic cancer is one of the top killers, and my dad died within 6 months of diagnosis. Most people don't even last that long. So thank you very much for this proclamation. It will also be on display at the OU Garden Walk at the University of Oklahoma Health Sciences Center, along with about 30 others from across the state, as well as being part of the state proclamation. And we will be reading these out, and thank you very much again.
Thank you.